broadcast, I should say. I just got off a podcast. If you want to listen to it, it was an amazing talk that we had about business, money, investing, like we always do, giving you the knowledge, the new rules of money, and all the knowledge that you need in order to build true wealth. But most importantly, we want you to understand that debt is our friend. Debt is what we want to use as a tool to become wealthy because we are building our portfolio with 100% debt. Okay, that's getting to infinite return on investment because we're actually using other people's money successfully. We're using OPM and other people's time, OPT. And because we're using debt and we're doing the exact same thing that the government does, which is to use debt to create money with debt. That's how money is created, with debt. And that is why it's tax free. So we use that tool to become wealthy. And what we do, we just use that debt and turn it into good debt, meaning that we're going to acquire assets. We're going to spend that debt into an asset that will produce passive income that will pay for the debt service back, will pay for the mortgage for that loan back with the interest and all the expenses that that asset requires to have. They have additional assets that we are adding continuously on each ebook because each ebook became a digital course on our website. And so you get the ebook, you get additional bonuses like videos, documents, and other assets to help you ultimately build that asset column with real assets that you control, that your companies control, and that are producing passive income and capital gains income. And rule number one of our community here at Master Investor is that we work to build passive income and make money work hard for us and other people, right? And so money work hard for us and other people, right? And so because we're using our own money to invest in deals because we're getting cash flow from all these deals that we have control over, and that money that we're getting, we're going to also reinvest it back into more deals and to raise more capital and to acquire more assets. But we're also using 100% finance deals. We can use 100% debt on a deal. We're not going to use our capital. We're going to use our capital somewhere else if we need to. But first, we use 100% debt, and that's what we want to focus on and we have of intent and we have a negotiation contract with, then we can actually attract the money, or we will find the money because money is always looking for a place to work and reproduce on autopilot. Okay, and that's what money is looking for at all times. So we want to be a magnet of money. We want to attract that money into our deals because the deals itself are doing the selling for themselves because it's such a good deal that the financial statements, the tax returns, and we have facts that will confirm that this is a sound asset. That's why all of this money wants to come in and get to work in the asset. So what we have to focus on is to choose the right percentage for our loans and choose the right partners for the loans, because once we have great deals on our hands, the money will finance everywhere. And so we need to choose who we're going to do business with. But we want to be 100% finance. And as we're getting cash flow and we're getting all this positive cash flow into our pockets, then we need to invest that into other assets so that we become more wealthy, so we can continue to have this cash cows printing us money legally for free, and we can tap into total freedom. Okay, that's the reward, is total freedom. And so we want to do things ethically and legally so that we protect our ultimate reward, so that we can do business everywhere else and we can travel and we don't have to worry about anything because we have done so legally, and we can assure that our foundation is solid and that we can continue to build upon that foundation because we're not scared that it's going to crumble, because we know we did it with ethics, integrity, loyalty, following the law, right? And so that's why we created our ebooks, the 2 ebooks that are now, the 10 new rules of money, and also how to build cash flow with the internet turn passive income on. So you can go get the ebooks on our website right now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for coming in here and listening to this live broadcast. I just got done doing a podcast, so you should go to your Spotify, find our podcast, follow us there, right? Subscribe. And when you're on the go, listen to what we have to say because we're going to provide value and we're going to ultimately make you more wealthy by giving us the experiences, and we have tools that we're sharing on the podcast and actions that we can take right now from anywhere and start building passive income and true wealth. Okay, so tap into financial knowledge because the banks don't care about uh, academic education. They care about financial education. They care about actual debt, how to manage debt, how to raise capital, how to put teams and systems in place so that the asset continues to bring in revenue and is able to sustain payments for the loans that we have against the property and the business on that property if we're talking about real estate asset class. There are 5 different asset classes that exist. Number 1, real estate. Number 2, business. Number 3, crypto. Number 4, paper assets. Number 5, commodities. And we want to be diversified among the 5 different asset classes because that's how we hedge for inflation and protect ourselves from down economies. So we don't predict the market here in our community. We prepare for any type of market. We make positive cash flow and capital gains income in any type of market because we understand the cycles and we understand that the economy goes up and down. So we are prepared because we have financial education and we're actively investing and we continue to put ourselves in rooms with the right people. We're listening to the right folks while we have spare time, and we're always investing into our financial knowledge. Okay, so I hope that you follow us here on this channel, A Master Investor. Listen to all of our podcasts that we have on our channel over there and get our ebooks right now. Go to our website, make sure that you subscribe and get to the get to our website and make sure that you go to our website and get the ebooks. If you need any help with starting your business, or you want to brainstorm, or you want to raise capital, and you maybe have an idea, you have something that is patent, you have something that is that you think will, or that you know because you have facts, you have a business plan, or you want to create a business plan and you need a marketing, get with one of our team members. Let's have a one-on-one conversation. We can record the conversation. We can provide that into maybe our channels, and we can, if you don't want to record it, we just want to do one-on-one over the phone, whatever you like, we can actually help you achieve here at Master Investor, to help you run your business from home, to help you start your career as an entrepreneur and a master investor. We have to deal with money at the end of the day. And inside of the ebook, you're going to learn about the cash flow circle, which you will notice that there are 4 players on that cash flow circle. And we are part of those players. Everybody is. Everybody's playing one of those roles or more than one role. You could be playing all the roles at the same time. There are people that play all the roles at the same time, believe it or not. But we're going to learn which side contains the most wealth and which side is the one that works hardest and have less wealth. And you're going to learn about how we can shift from the cash flow circle, from the side in which we're on, how we're going to switch, and how we're going to arrive on the spot where it has freedom. It has total freedom and it has financial freedom, okay? Because we have assets, because we have control systems, and we make money work hard for us. So learn the new rules of money. Go read our ebooks and get how to build cash flow with the internet. I'm going to see you on the next video. Thank you for listening to us, watching this broadcast. Comment below if you have any questions. I'm going to come back and answer those for you. And make sure that you continue to follow our updates and listen to our videos and also podcasts. And make sure that you read our blogs, because we have a lot of financial education out to help everybody become more wealthy by just improving what's here, improving the knowledge that we have regarding money. Okay, so Remember, today money is created with debt. That's why debt is tax free, and that's why we encourage everyone to use good debt to invest for passive income, because when we do that, we can minimize taxes all the way to zero. So if you like to learn how to be a tax-free entity legally, and how to create wealth, how to get to infinite return on investment, how to start making sales on autopilot fast, then you need to read our ebooks. Hit the link in the description, and I'll see you inside of our inner circle. Make sure you get them from our website, because you'll have a virtual office, and we will have assets that will be added into that digital course as we move forward. And you will always have access. If you get the books right now, you will have access to those digital courses forever, regardless of how much they'll be worth on the website tomorrow or in the future, because it's not going to be the same price, because we are adding and expanding the knowledge in each digital course. Okay? But if you like to read them on Amazon, on Kindle, then you're welcome to go get them on Kindle as well. We appreciate your business and time. I'll see you on the next broadcast. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company here at Master Investor. Bye for now. Stay great and wealthy.